I've never seen this. This is amazing.
Actor and celebrity chef Valerie Bertinelli came to me knowing almost nothing about her mother's family tree. The reason? Valerie's mother, Nancy, lost her own mother when she was just 8 years old, and her father remarried soon after, effectively severing all connection to her maternal roots. The loss has long haunted Valerie, but we were able to recover what had seemingly disappeared, tracing Nancy's family back 3 generations to Valerie's great-great-grandfather. Would you please read his name?
William David Chambers.
And when was he born?
16th of July, 1847, 1850, likely in Cecil County, Maryland.
And you've never heard of him? And you've never heard of any of those ancestors all the way up?
No.
What's it like to see that?
It makes me miss my mother, because she would have loved this.
Yeah.
She would have really loved this. She missed having, I'm sorry, she missed having a connection with her mother. Oh my God, she never even knew her grandfather's names. Wow. Oh, Mom, I wish you could see this.
Valerie's mother would likely have especially enjoyed seeing what was coming next. We found her ancestor, William, in the 1875 city directory for Wilmington, Delaware, working at a factory that made steel bolts for the railroads. At the time, the railroad industry was booming, and William's skills would have been in demand all across the United States. But William set his sights elsewhere.
Passengers taken aboard the steamship City of Para at Rio de Janeiro?
Yes, that's right.
Name William Chambers, age 27 years old. He went to Rio?
Your great-great-grandfather went to Brazil.
Wow. Wow.
Here he is on a ship sailing back from Rio de Janeiro. You've never heard anything at all about this?
No.
Any idea what he may have been doing in Brazil in the 1870s?
No.
William was in Brazil for one simple reason: money. He joined an expedition to work on a railroad designed to transport rubber out of the Amazon jungle. Labor shortages in the region led the project's funders to try to lure American workers to the site with promises of high wages. William heard the call, but the job turned into a nightmare. After 7 months, his team had managed to lay only 4 miles of track, and they'd paid an extraordinary price. The Americans suffered a mortality rate of roughly 24%, meaning 1 in 4 died.
Wow.
So your ancestor was very lucky to get back home alive. What do you imagine William felt when he got off that ship and stepped on the USA?
Thank God. I'm sure he was so happy to be home.
What do you think he did next?
I have no idea.
Please turn the page. Valerie, these are city directories and census documents for Camden, New Jersey, between the years 1897 and 1905. Valerie, would you please read the occupation that your ancestor had in 1910?
He was a baker.
He was a baker.
He was a baker. It goes down through my history.
You got it. He was a baker.
Oh my God. He was a baker.
Yeah, he was a baker, a professional baker. How do you feel knowing that you and this guy shared a passion? And how does it make you feel having this unknown, totally unknown branch of your family tree restored to you?
I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. And I can't wait to share it with my family. I mean, I wish Mom was here to hear it, but I'm so grateful.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.